What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you see in the title and the box, yeah, your ski, let's get it. Alright, so this is going to be my first unboxing of boo-boos, and I'm going to tell you guys why I am so happy. I'm also so appreciative and so thankful of this opportunity. I want to let you guys know that boo-boos came on board and they are supporting the bill, and I am so happy with this. It couldn't come at a better time. I was in the middle of the whole redoing setup of my throttle body because I went with a 72mm throttle body that I got from eBay, and I decided that I'm going to be running my evap and stuff like that. So therefore, I was in the market for a different throttle body, and thank God that boo-boos came through. They were supporting the bill, and they gave me some goodies in here. So I am so happy, so thankful. Thank you for boo-boos for this opportunity. And just looking at the box and looking at the wrapping and stuff like that, I like how they put Bible verses in there. And there's a Bible verse, Isaiah 41:10, that I'm going to read for you guys. Isaiah 41:10 says, "Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with all my righteousness right hand." I love that, and I like how they put that. So let's do a quick unboxing here for you guys. Remember, cut away from yourself, not towards yourself, young status. And I've always seen boo-boos before, especially with Young Status, one of my favorite YouTubers. Shout out to him, and I'm glad they decided to get on board and partner up, us partner up together so we can get this done. And just to let you guys know, everything you see on my build, 90% of the stuff you see on my build or more, you can get on boo-boos website, and then take advantage and also use the link down below in the description box with my code to save 10% when you check out. And like I'm telling you, this is a budget setup, a budget bill, and boo-boos has everything for the majority of the part that I am currently running on my Integra. So if you see my budget bill, which so far has only cost me about $7,000 for a case swap. Keep in mind, we're not done yet, but it is budget, like pretty much. I mean, it's not super budget, but it's budget compared to other swaps. Especially with the EGs that I've done. But you guys will see at the end when I compare my budget setup with my other EG case swap. But like I was telling you guys, boo-boos has everything on their website that you can find on my Integra. So, and you can save 10%. All right, so let's look up here. So here we have, this is going to be probably the 70mm throttle body. Nice. You got a sticker here. Yes, sir. Thank you, boo-boos. Yeah, this is probably gonna go to the car or the toolbox. Let me see. Yeah. Yes, sir. Right there. Thank you. All right. So we got the plate here as well. A little key tag. We got looks like a banner here. Yeah. Awesome. And then we got ourselves a shirt as well. Nice. I'm definitely gonna be rocking this. Pick up the merch, pick up the shirt. Look at that. Wow, I love the shirt. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. Thank you guys. So here on the table we got the 70mm throttle body. It came with the gasket, and then it also has the hardware as well. You guys can see. The only thing I can say, I didn't even say negative about it. It does not have the throttle body bracket, which kind of sucks. How am I gonna put the throttle body cable? But luckily I have an extra one. Hopefully it fits. So pros and cons. I love it. super nice. I hope it's a direct fitment. I hope there is no what do you call it, adapter requirement needed. According to what I was looking at, it did not need it one. So we're gonna try it out. So yeah, and then you have for your map, and then also for the evap, I believe you have the evap or so for the purge. So we got that as well. Love this keychain right there. Nice. And then obviously I am going to be running an IAC. That's why I do have the IAC here. But they did send a delete plate in here. But yeah, so I do have to get a rotational plate in order for me to run it. But in the meantime, I am going to be installing this for you guys, showing you guys how it's done. And yeah, I am so thankful. It's amazing. Look at this. Quality is up to par. It's definitely better, way better than the 72mm that I have on the car. Look at this, guys. And you guys can get this on Boo Boo's website. You guys can see, save 10% when you check out. And then this is, I'm gonna link everything down in the description box for you guys. But yeah, I am so pumped. Got a couple stickers in here. Got the merch shirt. Look at this. Looks so nice. And then this looks like I got a couple banners in here. Look at that. Wow, thank you guys. I appreciate it so much. I'm gonna save this for later to putting everything together. Alright, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with taking this apart. I'm not gonna record it. They got the merch. They got the merch. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart myself off camera, and then we're gonna get into fun nitty gritties, and we're gonna show the Boo Boos something to talk about. Alright, so a little quick right over here, you guys can see we did take the 72mm off, so that's gone. Something to note, to add to you guys, to let you guys know, if you guys are running an RBC and you get the 72mm Boo Boos throttle bodies, you guys can see, which is immaculate. Look at this. It's really good material. But yeah, so a concern that I had, that's why when I was talking to them, I wasn't too sure if it was going to work with this RBC, but as you guys can see, let me see if I can move you guys a little bit here. That's the faceplate right there, and unfortunately it does not line up. The bolts do not align with the with the mating surface just like that. You will need a adapter, which that was my biggest concern. Luckily I have a spare one here from my old build. It is a K-Tune one as well, but Boo Boos also has it on their website, so keep in mind that you guys can also get that as well. So it seems like I'm probably gonna have to run that beforehand, and luckily I had a thermal gasket as well in here, so it shouldn't be a big to help you guys out. Like I was telling you, it does not come with the throttle body bracket for the throttle cable. That's another flaw right there that I hope they fix or they start adding to their throttle bodies, because it didn't have it in the picture, but I figure, hey, maybe it's not in there, but it did not come with it as well. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and install for you guys, so you guys have an idea, the IAC delete plate, which I am running one, but just for content purposes and video purposes, I'm gonna show you guys the Boo Boos delete for the IAC as well.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality.
Alright, you guys see here we got the IAC delete plate from Boo Boos. Let's take a look, and it looks amazing. Look at this. It's billet. Nice. Nice. I've bought in the past before, and nothing compares to this one. And for the price, look at that. Billet is amazing. And then something else that I want to let you guys know about. It comes with the hardware, everything beautifully. Something else that I want to let you guys know about. This throttle body has already the gasket outline indentations, you guys can see. So with the other throttle body, like this one, like I was showing you guys, it does not have one. So essentially I had to put a whole bunch of Honda bond in there to get it sealed. But like I was telling you guys, for content and video purposes, I am going to be showing you guys how to install that for you guys. But I am going to be running an IAC as well, so I do need a rotational plate if it does not clear. If it clears, then we are golden. But essentially, it's gonna look something like this. It's just gonna be facing towards the front. You guys can see. That's it. Brings the gasket as well, which is perfect. I need it. And essentially, all you're gonna do is luckily we do have a gasket here. I do not recommend no gasket because it's gonna leak. You don't want vacuum leaks. This one does not have any ports to block off either, so I suggest you put a gasket because it's this by itself. I do not recommend it, but luckily we have one in here, and I'm going to show you guys. So we do have one here, so I'm going to show you guys. See? You put it right there. Boom. You'll get the plate. And it'll create a way better seal. Obviously this is vacuum, and you do not want to mess with any of the vacuum. It will mess with your idle, and it's no bueno. So yeah, so you got the hardware here. Little Allen bolts right here. See what size it is. Alright, so we got a winner. It's going to be a 4mm. Right here, in the meantime, I'll set it up here. Once again, put the gasket, put the plate, Allen bolt, and then the other Allen bolt. And don't go too crazy over tightening these. You could mess up the threads, so just have that in mind. Doesn't have to be crazy. You know, a little bit of torque. Not too crazy. There you go. There you go. And we're all done just like that. This is a IACT Elite plate. You guys can see it looks amazing. Boo boos. Everybody, look at that. And everything you see here, I'm going to link down below in the description box with a 10% code as well for you guys to save money. But look at this. Amazing. Wow. Look at that. Boom. So let's put this bad boy in. Well, as you guys see, I already put the adapter plate because you're going to need it. But unfortunately, you cannot run it without this. It will not bolt on to the RBC. And then we're going to use our hardware, obviously, that it brought. The gasket that it brought as well. Luckily, we had a thermal to throw it in here. And this is going to be the tricky part right here. You do not want to drop this. And then you're going to have to slide the gasket as well. As you can see, I always like to put one at a time. This could get tricky.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
The truth, like you guys know, this throttle body does not come with a throttle body bracket, cable bracket, and I did have one from the other throttle body. So let's see if it goes in and it falls. Alright, so unfortunately, you guys can see the bolts are too long. It needs shorter bolts in order for it to bolt on, but it does fit. As you guys can see right there, it fits perfectly fine. So you have many options. incorrect way of doing it, but still efficient. You can put a whole bunch of washers and get it in there, or you can get the right bolts. And I'm not sure if I have the correct length bolts for this. As you guys see right there, we have everything installed. Fortunately, it does not come with a throttle body bracket cable, throttle body cable bracket, and the screws that I have from the other one, they're unfortunately too long, but it does fit. So we do have it's promising there. I do have to get different bolts, but look at the setup. It is amazing. I am so pleased with the results. Look at that. It does hit here a little bit, but hey, that's part of the game. It's different. It's all according to, you know, it's always going to be playing out differently according to what radiator you have and, you know, what setup, but it's not a big deal. I am looking at the bottom, and I think the IAC will be an issue, so I do need the rotational plate, but at the same time, I'm not sure because it looks like I might be hitting this as well. So not entirely sure what I'm going to do. I hope it sticks up enough where it can face this way, but it seems like I'm gonna have to get one either way. But yeah, so here is the throttle body. You guys can see I will be swapping over the map to this side, plugging up this side over here, and then the purge valve will be going on here. So yeah, but look how beautiful it came out. Showing off the stickers for you guys that I also got in the mail. They're amazing. Look at these Boo Boo stickers right here. I'm definitely going to be putting a couple on the vehicle. You guys can see right there. And then the throttle body, amazing. Looks amazing. I know I'm probably just going to unclip this one and just kind of like rotate it a little bit, and that should give me plenty of space, plenty of room to put that in the future. But yeah, that's pretty much going to conclude the video. I'm going to give you my pros and cons regarding the Boo Boo's throttle body. Alright, once again, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you for Boo Boo's Performance for sending this out here and supporting the build. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Definitely came in a time of need. I decided to, I decided I was going to use my purge system, my EVAP, and it came in a time that I needed it the most. So I appreciate you guys. Pros and cons. I love the throttle body. The material, it's super sturdy, it's super strong compared to this one right here, which I have on the table. This one right here is super soft. You guys can see it's kind of like bending in a way. Also on the bottom here does not have the grooves. In order for you to slide the gasket, you have to actually put on the bond or something like that, or RTV, in order for it to actually hold. With the Boo Boos, obviously you guys saw it has the grooves on it. You can put a gasket ready. Let's go. It came with all the hardware. The only thing that I can say it did not come with, which I have here on the table, it did not come with the throttle body bracket cable, throttle body cable bracket, sorry, and didn't have the hardware as well. But you guys saw I tried to transfer this from my old throttle body. It fits perfectly, and they do sell this as well. They do have this on the website for you guys as well. And unfortunately the Allen bolts, or the bolts you guys I have here, are a little bit too long, so I will have to get shorter ones in order for them to actually fit. But yeah, like I was telling you guys, other than that, everything fits, everything's perfect. I'm not deleting the IAC because the whole purpose is to run an IAC. And if you guys are asking yourself what is an IAC, this is an IAC right here, which regulates the air coming inside, does helping it reach temperatures quicker as well. But overall, I am super pleased. It's 10 out of 10 throttle body. The material, the quality is next level. For the price, it's next level, and I'll put the price here for you guys. And overall, I am completely satisfied with the throttle body. I just need to get those nicks and knacks fixed, and I need to get those in order for me to actually run it completely. But yeah, guys, that's going to conclude the video. Thank you guys for watching. This is the Integral Budget Build right over here, and you know, keep coming back for more content. And I want to give a huge shout out and thank you for coming on board for Boo Boo's Performance. See you guys. Catch you guys in the next video.